So at this point, you've set up your mission. Then you've gone to step 2 is in defined your goal. And then you've now landed on step 3, which is finding keywords. Finding keywords that are going to bring in the most visitors, leads, and sales for your business when you get ranked on the top of Google, Yahoo, or Bing. In this case, I've already ran a couple keyword phrases, fountains and custom fountains. They've completed. It usually takes a minute or less to complete this data analysis. And then you just simply click refresh. Once you do so, you'll see the data come in, as well as more keyword suggestions down here. Now, it's important to notice that we've carried over the goals that were defined in step 2. So you can always see what your goal is. So we know that we need 10,000 visitors, 50 leads with the goal of $50,000. So we're way short of that goal. We only have 538 visitors with these 2 keywords. If we were to get ranked on page 1 of Google, this is how many visitors you could expect from that. So in this case, you would just need to add more keyword phrases. And you could click down here to do that. Or you could actually just type them in here as well. Of course, you can also upload a CSV file. So once you do that, you can just click add new keyword phrases, and then it's going to run its analysis again. And then as soon as it's completed, once again, just hit the refresh button. And then you'll see more data coming in. So these keywords didn't bring in a lot of search volume or visitors or leads. So this is what this screen is all about. It's all about trying to find the right keywords or a combination of keyword phrases that will eventually hit this goal, these goals of 10,000 visitors and 50 leads and $50,000 in sales. So that's what this screen is all about, finding these big juicy keyword phrases that once ranked on page 1 of Google will bring in the visitors and the sales that you'll need. And that's it. Once you get that done and you find the right keyword phrases, you're going to click this, go to next step, and that will take you to the target tab where we're going to target competitors.